Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking batteries and connection. Wired controllers stay on only while plugged. Wireless units use the Xbox button. Once done, press and hold the Xbox button on the controller for about 6 seconds. Don't tap. You do this because a long press triggers the shutdown command rather than a menu. Make sure to keep holding until the light goes out. This ensures the controller fully powers down instead of entering sleep or remaining paired. Once the light extinguishes, confirm the controller is truly off. Try moving analog sticks. No response means success. If the controller reactivates, check the console settings. Some Xbox modes keep controllers powered to wake the system. For Bluetooth, you may need to manually disconnect from the paired device to prevent automatic wake. Make sure to remove USB cables if present. A wired connection supplies power and will prevent shutdown. This step prevents unintended reactivation during storage. To finish, remove batteries for long-term storage or leave it off in a safe spot. This prevents slow drain. If the controller stubbornly stays on, pull batteries or unplug the USB immediately. This is the only guaranteed force-off. Once powered down, wait 10 seconds, reinsert batteries or reconnect USB and test. If it repeatedly wakes, reset pairing and check firmware. Sometimes updates or pairing glitches keep controllers alive. Try firmware update only if needed, and recheck power behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.